raise service tickets and allocate them. They will certainly result in delayed resolution and unhappy customers. Effort from Spores. Our easy-to-use DIY, no-code platform enables you to configure workflows based on your business needs on any device efficiently. With the Effort platform, your customers can raise tickets through QR codes, calls and email. The tickets can be allocated to the nearest service engineer via geointelligence. The customer is informed of the details of the service engineer and an approximate time he will reach to resolve the issue. The service engineer reaches the customer location and checks himself in to start his activity. The service engineer completes his activity and the customer is notified of the same. The customer is happy as he was notified real-time of all the steps and his issue has been resolved immediately. Raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices, geointelligence. Intelligent allocation and time to reach based on availability. Seamless API integrations. Real-time visibility. Real-time notifications. Happy customer. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.